Hey you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we're going to be doing a haul of sugar and cream you can purchase from Oh Snap Beauty Supply on Instagram. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. The first color that we're going to go ahead and swatch is going to be, girl, what's the name of the color? Um, Tomboyish, and this is like a duo effect. Why did I say it like that? Duo effect powder. So it basically marbles when you apply it. So this is my first time swatching it, y'all. So primarily I did it like how I would do any other acrylic powder, but then when I applied it, I was like, ooh, it's looking kind of patchy. It's looking kind of weird. So I just continued on going down the display nail and I wasn't really feeling it. I'm like, ugh, this looks kind of weird. And then this is how it basically showed off. So I went in again and gave it another swirl. So I realized using smaller beads and kind of like pushing it towards a certain angle and stuff like that gives you like that duo powder effect where it marbles and it looks really, really nice. So keep that in mind if you do purchase this. You're gonna want to use smaller beads and kind of swirl it around. If you're good at swirling, then you should be really good at this. But if you're not really that good at marbling, I think this is a good powder to start off with because look at that. Oh, it's giving blue skies. So yeah, and you can see the difference in the application. So I think working with smaller beads would be really effective and it just looks really, really good. So I'm happy with this purchase. So let's go ahead and move on to the next one, which is Naughty. And this is also a duo effect powder. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this to the nail as well. And I made sure I sped it up because I know that you guys, got stuff to do. You don't want to sit here watching me swatch for so long. So I'm just going in, you guys, and applying it little by little. You may be able to pass with using bigger beads depending on how you want your marble to look. But in my opinion, I feel like it looks better and it kind of gives the effect more when you do smaller beads. So that's just my personal preference. But if you want to do bigger beads, you definitely can do so. And look at that. Oh my God, so cute. And excuse my jacket, y'all. This is paint and I've washed this jacket 1,000 times and it does not come off. But anyway, the next color is also the last duo effect. It's called Dance Time. And they have a wide variety of these duo effects, but I just got these three, a pink, a purple, and a blue, because I felt like I would use these more than the others. So I went ahead and applied it little by little. And this is how the purple one looks, and I love all three of them equally. Like they're super duper cute. So the next color that I'm gonna go ahead and swatch is Baby Cheese, and this is a super duper cute pink. And y'all don't mind how I applied it. With this one, I feel like you should just apply like a really wet bead towards the bottom. Sometimes your swatches might not be that good on the display nail, but this color is super duper cute. My application just wasn't the best with this one. I didn't have to do it like that. I could have just did a solid bead going straight down. But this pink is so girly and so fun. I feel like it'll look really cute with a fringe or with some glitter ombre into it. It's super fun, super girly, and I can't wait to use it. I know that I'm definitely going to use it towards like Valentine's and stuff like that. So yeah, love, love, love this color. Can't wait to use it. So the next color that I got is Flesh, and I picked this color because I have a few nudes, but I don't really have a nude that has like this peachy undertone. So I decided to get it because I don't know, I felt like I didn't have it. And looking at my collection, I did not have this type of nude. So I decided to get it. I think it's really cute and it looks pretty nice. So yeah, I decided to go with it. Now thinking back, I'm like, I should have just got some more glitters and more unique stuff, but you can't go wrong with the nude. I feel like you need it. So we're definitely gonna put this to use. I feel like this will also look good with a French as well. It'll be like a really clean look. So yeah, I think it's really pretty. So I'm not really mad at this one. All right, so the next color is Peachy. Now it looks similar to Flesh, but this one has a little bit more of like a darker undertone, like it's more warm. So yeah, even though it looks the same, y'all, it ain't. I know sometimes I just be buying stuff, but this time I didn't do that. Like I got both of these because I know that I'm gonna put these to use. And sometimes when you're looking for a specific nude to go with a specific color, they're not all like universal. You need like a certain undertone to go with a certain color acrylic powder or a certain gel polish. So if you know, you know, period. So I feel like this one would go more with my skin tone other than the flesh. So I probably would use this one on myself. So this is how it looks. And my application is not perfect, but when I flip it, you guys can definitely see it better. So yeah, I think this was a good buy as well. So the next color is Eris, and this is like a nude with some glitter in it, and I think it's so pretty. That is so cute. So I feel like this will give for like wedding nails, or if you just want to do a full set with it and add some nail charms, crystals. It'll just pop and look really pretty. I also feel like I'm going to be using this during the springtime. I could ombre it into some pastel colors and it'll really give off like a nice little shimmer and be really pretty. So I'm not mad at this one either. I think it's so pretty. So cute. I love this one. It's so nice. All right. So next is Crazy in Love. And this is pretty much a fine red glitter. I decided to get it because I don't have any fine red glitter acrylics. And I didn't feel like mixing any. So I felt like this was just a perfect red. It's deep enough. I could use it for Valentine's, Christmas. And I know that I'm going to be using this long term. So I decided to get it and I really, really like this color. It's a nice deep red and it looks good on the skin. I feel like it'll go with all skin tones. So I don't think that this was a bad buy. So, so pretty. I love it. So yeah. All right, so the next color is Mamma Mia. And I got this glitter because I feel like it's pretty much universal. I can use it with pinks, blues, greens, yellows. It's just a nice mix. So this one is really, really cute, super fun, and I know that I'm going to be putting this to use. I love a good glitter. It just sets your nails apart. Encapsulation just hits different with a nice glitter inside of it. So I'm not mad at this purchase at all. So, so cute. I love it. All right, so the next one is Icing, and I got this because I don't really have a lot of options when it comes to white acrylic powder, so I decided to get it. But when I really looked at it, I was like, you could have went without this one. It looks like icing. You can see like the tiny shimmer in it, but this one, I don't think it was all that serious. Like when you encapsulate it and all that, you can't even really see the small glitters that are into it. It just looks like white acrylic. So for me, this one gets like a 4 out of 10. Like it's just the consistency of the acrylic is really good. So that's why I got a 4. But as far as like, it being different, it didn't give that to me. I like to buy things that I know is going to set my nails apart. And this just didn't wow me. It just looks like plain white. So, no. The next one is Harbor Nights, and I absolutely love this one as well. It's a royal blue type of glitter mix, and I can't wait to do like a sapphire set with this one. So I'm really excited for this because I love a good royal blue mix. So this one is really, really pretty, has a bunch of different sizes of different chunks, and I know that it's just gonna give, it's not like your plain simple royal blue. It's so beautiful. It has so many different undertones, and I can't wait to do a set with this one. So yeah. And I was just like, altering my light so that you guys can really see how it looks. It has like some purple undertones in there, a little bit of greens. It has like the holographic look. So I definitely think that this one was worth it. I love it. It's so fire. Yeah, so I'm happy with this one. Cute. So the next color is unicorns and rainbows. And I actually really like this one because I feel like I could do a lot with it. I can do a gender reveal. I could do like a mermaid set. It'll look really beautiful in an ombre or a kawaii glitter set. So I'm not mad at this one at all. It's different. I haven't really seen much mixes with these two colors. So I'm excited to see what I create with this, but it looks really, really nice. I'm gonna flip it over so that you guys can see. That is so cute. So I'm excited to use this one. That is fire. I love it. All right, so the next one is Luxurious Life, and I love this one, y'all. It has like the foil in there. It's like an aqua teal type of vibe with the gold mixed in there, and I think that it's so, so pretty. I'm not gonna lie, Sugar and Cream has some really nice glitter mixes. I usually like glitter bells, but they have some really nice stuff. I'm definitely gonna be repurchasing from them. They have some unique mixes for sure. That is really, really pretty. I also can't wait to use this one. So yeah. Last but not least is Pink Unicorn, and I think this one is also a great baby shower option. And I can also do like a fun kawaii set. But be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and comment down below which acrylic powder was your favorite. And if you think I should get some more stuff from Sugar and Cream. But this one is so fun, you guys. Um, at first I was like, is this the same as the unicorn one? But it's totally different. This is more like iridescent. I feel like it'll look better with a kawaii set for sure. That is so cute. But I'm gonna see you guys next time. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Bye.